Kia previews electric GT concept. A possible Stinger successor, Kia is hinting at a new electric Grand Tourer, potentially replacing the discontinued Stinger. The company recently released teaser images of a sleek concept vehicle, dubbed simply the Kia Concept, sparking speculation about a high-performance EV. While Kia isn't confirming details, the design suggests a departure from conventional shapes, embracing a more aerodynamic profile than the EV4. Design and speculation, the concept features a dramatically sloped roofline, hinting at a fastback or liftback configuration. The silhouette evokes the Stinger, but with a distinctly modern edge. Key design elements include prominent bulging fenders, distinctive LED headlights that extend toward the side camera housings, and an absence of traditional B-pillars. Signaling this is a concept vehicle. The expansive glass roof is another standout feature that enthusiasts hope will make it to the production model. The car appears larger than the EV4, measuring potentially over 186.2 inches long. The short front overhang strongly suggests an electric powertrain, leaving little room for a combustion engine. However, Hyundai Kia's parent company is also developing EVs with range-extending engines, so a hybrid option remains possible. Performance and platform, if this concept translates into a production model, it may share hardware with the Hyundai Ioniq 6 or utilize Kia's upcoming EM platform. The EM platform promises a 50% increase in driving range compared to current EVs. Based on the teaser, a rear-wheel drive single-motor setup is likely for the base variant, with higher trims potentially offering a dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration. Market position and timeline: this electric GT will likely be a premium offering, positioning Kia toward its goal of 1.26 million EVs sold annually by the end of the decade. However, the high price point means sales volume will likely be lower than more affordable models like the EV2, EV3, and EV4. The teasers raise more questions than answers, but it's a welcome sign that Kia isn't solely focusing on crossovers. If a production version is confirmed, expect it to hit showrooms no earlier than 2027. For now, Kia remains tight-lipped about its plans, with the EV2 set to debut at the Brussels Motor Show on January 9th. Whether the Stinger-inspired electric GT will appear alongside it remains unknown.